Okay, we're back. I had to go do something. Okay, we left off right here, right? Okay. We in the oldest room, which is the girl. Okay, this is her room, but I don't want to get knocked off again. Because sometimes I get perfect. Okay, let's walk. All right, we are here to the second notice. Okay, just so to say, this is a yellow room. So you can change up how you like it. Anyway, there you go. Yeah. Now we're done. Let's go to the next one. Alright, we went to the. You're here at the next one. If I stop reloading, I'll be mad because I got bad internet. Alright, we are here at the. So, all I can say that it's not the third Otis, it's the fourth. Here is the fourth Otis. The fifth Otis is upstairs on the third floor. But here we go at the floor. Fourth Otis. Yeah. Cute. It's a blue room. Alrighty. Here we are at the youngest bedroom. It's pink room, cute room, very cute. Light highlighted. If I lock off and I don't record the third, therefore that would be part 3. Okay. This is the bathroom with the tub. Remember, there's a bathroom with the shower and the bathroom without the shower. Got that? Don't see that. Yeah. Alright. Got that. Everything's secure. Y'all wanna know why I'm rushing is cause I don't want this mud to go out. And here we are at the third oldest rooms. Well, let us say the third and fourth room. I'm the oldest. This is a twin room, and you are role playing. Very cute, very cute. They both got their own desk. They got their own little job, little books, teenage books, and the little paintings. Alright, I think we'll be making it up there to the third floor. Because we are rushing. Alrighty. Let go. Oh no. Ugh. Alright. Alright. Here we are. This is the fifth oldest. The sixth oldest is downstairs with the seventh oldest. Wait, no, that wasn't the youngest. Okay, I forgot that wasn't the youngest. Okay, here go one of the rooms. The fifth oldest, cause there's the third oldest and the fourth oldest with the twins. And here you go the fifth. Very cute, very cute. With their own dressers. Now we'll be going on to the mom's spot on the dash room and where the baby's at. So this is for the baby. Jar for the baby. This is for the mama. And that's for the dad. Okay. Here we are to the baby room. I won't be going in because I got on top of it. Anyway, here you go. Very cute. Very cute. Anyway, here this way. This is the on the mom's desk. And that's at the front of this. We got our own TV. We got our little bed with our clock on top. And then we got our little seat for the baby to watch TV with us, or they can sit on the bed. Then we got our little portable stuff, cause like you know how we don't want to go down there. Then you got your little thing for you need it. You know it helps too. We go on to the master bedroom. It's a bathroom and a shower. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Now they go on to the sucker. This is the women's place, and that's the man. If you don't believe me, just look at the towels. Now this is the now this is what you call rainbow. Right here. Right there. And right there. And right there. Alright, we done. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the layout. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go out. I gotta go out. Alright. Build them out. Okay. We're gonna go like, ooh, hold on. That's front. We got the little garden, over there. Now we go in. Oops, now we go in. Might be lagging, but who cares? Okay, let's you. Okay. Layout. You better be looking, cause I ain't doing it again. Why? Cause this house gonna be gone. Mhm. Not that little garages on the side. We got two little pittings on top. Alright. I think we can make it to 8 minutes. If you hurry up. Okay. Uh-huh. I better get this, cause like I said, I ain't going back. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Smarter than usual, but yeah. Yeah, we did it, yeah. 8 minutes. And you got that little open spot for that little laundry. Anyway, thank y'all. This is my first little like, I don't know. Look, hope y'all like it. And hold up, let me go out my expensive door. Let me out. Okay. Thank you for looking. If I build my next house fast, and I will show you. Thank you for coming. Sorry now. This was made by Ring.